Forget aliens. The Webb telescope has found something far more disturbing. Something lurking in the deep cosmos that will change your perception of reality. This isn't just about new galaxies. It's about the profound, chilling implications of what the universe truly is and what's out there watching us. Humanity's greatest eye opened, and the universe as we knew it was reborn in fire and light. The James Webb Space Telescope was our promise to ourselves, a promise to peel back the cosmic veil. In its first months, it delivered wonders that exceeded our wildest dreams. We saw stellar nurseries with an impossible clarity, witnessing the birth of stars in clouds of vibrant gas. We peered back to the dawn of time, finding galaxies more ancient and more massive than our theories had ever allowed. We even tasted the air of worlds light years away, finding water vapor in their atmospheres. For a moment, the universe seemed more beautiful, more welcoming than ever before. It was a golden age of discovery. But as the data poured in, amidst the beauty, a subtle unease began to creep into the scientific community. The discoveries were not just beautiful, they were perplexing. The distant galaxies Webb was finding were not just ancient, they were too massive, too well-formed, too mature for their age. Our carefully constructed cosmological models, the very foundation of our understanding of cosmic evolution, began to creak under the strain of this new, impossible data. The telescope, designed to answer our oldest questions, was now posing new ones, questions that were darker and far more unsettling. The awe was slowly being replaced by a growing realization: something is fundamentally wrong with our picture of the universe. The problems weren't just at the dawn of time, they were in our own cosmic neighborhood. For years, astronomers have been aware of unexplained, dark flows, colossal structures, hundreds of galaxies wide, all moving at extreme speeds toward a single point in the sky, as if being pulled by an immense, unseen gravitational source that lies beyond the edge of the observable universe. This shouldn't be happening. The standard model predicts a universe that is largely uniform on the largest scales. These colossal structures hint that our understanding is, at best, incomplete. Webb's new, more precise measurements are refining our understanding of these anomalies, and the implications are unsettling. By giving us clearer data on dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious components that make up 95% of our cosmos, it forces us to confront their true nature. We have always assumed these were simply blind physical forces. But what if they aren't? The uniformity and precision of their effects, now seen with Webb's clarity, lead to a chilling speculative question. Is there a conscious force at play? Is the darkness in dark energy not just a description of its invisibility, but of its intent? These discoveries cast a dark new shadow over the Fermi paradox, the question of, where is everybody? One potential answer is the Great Filter, a hypothetical barrier that prevents life from reaching an advanced stage. We've always hoped the filter was behind us, that we were the lucky ones. But Webb's findings hint at a more terrifying possibility. Perhaps the filter is not a self-inflicted catastrophe. Perhaps the filter is an external force. Perhaps the universe is simply too hostile for life to thrive for long. This is where science touches upon the edges of cosmic horror. The fear, not of a monster you can see, but of the unknown. Of our own insignificance in the face of forces beyond our comprehension. The dark flow could be the pull of some Lovecraftian entity from beyond our reality. The fine-tuning of the universe might not be for life, but for some other inscrutable purpose. The great silence of the cosmos might not be because we are alone, but because other civilizations learned, to their peril, to stay quiet. These new findings connect these ancient fears to our modern reality, reminding us of the fragility of our existence in a universe that may not be empty, but actively malevolent. The philosophical impact of these discoveries is profound. They question humanity's place and purpose in a universe that may not be just indifferent, but actively terrifying. For centuries, we have comforted ourselves with the idea that we are special, that consciousness is a gift. But what if it's a cosmic mistake? What if the universe is a place where ignorance is not just bliss, but a survival strategy? The psychological impact of realizing that the universe is far stranger and potentially more dangerous than previously imagined is immense. And this leads to the ultimate unveiling truth. What if the unseen terror isn't a physical entity at all? What if the horror isn't something that's coming for us, but a realization of what has always been true? The terrifying truth revealed by Webb may simply be the universe's true, uncaring nature. A reality governed by forces so vast and so alien to our own existence that our concepts of life, purpose, and meaning are utterly irrelevant to them. The ultimate horror is not that we are alone, but that we don't matter. So what are the next steps for Webb and other telescopes in exploring these anomalies? The scientific debate is raging. New, paradigm-shifting theories are being proposed to explain this data that breaks our models. The race is on to secure more observational time, to stare deeper into these strange structures, and to design the next generation of instruments that can help us confront these profound new questions. We end on a profound and unsettling thought. Webb's findings are forcing us to confront the ultimate cosmic fear. Is ignorance truly bliss when facing a universe like this? We are a species defined by our need to know, to explore, to understand. But what if the next great discovery is one we'd be better off not making? The abyss is staring back, and for the first time, we can see its shape. The question is no longer just, are we alone? But, do we wish we were? Thank you for watching.